Purchasing credits. The credits page shows your current credit balances and lets you purchase more. Remember, credits are what power your tutoring sessions and all those cool AI features. Your AI credits balance is specifically for AI tutoring sessions. Meanwhile, your tuition credits balance is what you'll use for booking human tutor sessions. Click to browse the available credit packages. Larger packages often include bonus credits, giving you much better value for your money. Credit packs come in all different sizes. Take a moment to compare the credit amount, the price, and any bonus credits included before you hit that purchase button. It's the best way to make sure you're getting the most out of the platform.